The M18 Fuel with 1-key half-inch hammer drill and drill driver provides all the power and control you need for any job. They are the most powerful cordless drills in their class, delivering faster drilling speed in the most compact package. The M18 Fuel with 1-key half-inch hammer drill and drill driver give you unlimited tool customization, delivering unmatched control, the fastest way to work, and the most consistent results. Control speed for any application by increasing or decreasing RPMs. Set a max torque range that will shut the tool off at your desired level. 1-key tool customization gives you access to a range of predetermined setups, like hole saw setup for optimized drilling performance. Select your hole saw type, size, and material, and the tool will automatically adjust to optimize speed and torque under load for that application, maximizing runtime and accessory life. You can also create your own profiles and customize tool settings for your specific application. Save your profiles to the 4 available modes on the tool. Your saved profiles can be recalled within the 1-key app at any time and applied to any of the 4 modes on the tool. After your tool is set, you no longer need your phone out while you're on the job. Customize, track, and manage your tools with 1-key.